Result is out. And if you're watching this video, then there is a chances that you have not cleared any of the group or maybe both groups, या फिर थोड़े से मार्क्स के लिए रह गए हो या एग्रीगेट क्लियर नहीं हुआ हो, or maybe this is going to be a serious setback in your first CA final attempt. First of all, I want to make you one thing clear, that this result will not going to decide your future. This mark sheet is only for the one exam, but it doesn't show your capability, intelligence, potential and hard work. So before we discuss about the exam strategy, promise one thing, that next 15 minutes you are not going to blame yourself, because here I am going to discuss about result oriented strategy. So let's begin. First step, what you need to do, you have to give 5 days to recover yourself. Students दो टाइप के मिस्टेक करते हैं. कुछ स्टूडेंट रिजल्ट आते ही इमीडिएटली पढ़ने बैठ जाते हैं विदाउट थिंकिंग, विदाउट एनालाइजिंग व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग. दूसरे टाइप के स्टूडेंट 10 से 20 दिन इसी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट में रह जाते हैं, एंड दोनों भी डेंजरस है. I want you to take next 5 days to recover yourself from this emotional breakdown. Then analyze your result. Analyze what went wrong. Discuss with your mentor and also decide subject-wise performance. Ask yourself, मेरी कहाँ गलती हुई है? Whether my syllabus was properly done, whether I have done enough revision and practice, या फिर मुझे सब कंप्लीट था, मेरा पोर्शन सब कंप्लीट था, बट मैं वो 3 घंटे के एग्जाम में पैनिक हो गया. और मे बी एवरीथिंग वेंट राइट, everything was good, but you are lacking in presentation. So you have to first decide what the disease is, and then we have to take the medicine accordingly. So from now, no more comparison, no more self-pity, no more social media stalking. Your mission November starts from now. Approximately we have only 135 days left for the next attempt. Out of this 135 days, 5 days हमारा recovery में चला गया, and around 10 days I am expecting that हमारा waste होने वाला है. Maybe any festival, because of your health issues or unexpected circumstances, हमारे 10 days waste हो गए. So from now, after deducting this 5 plus 10 days, you will be having only and only 120 days left for the upcoming attempt. Now the games become very simple. We have 120 days left. We will going to apply 60 and 60 rule. What is the 60-60 rule? Here, first 60 days, we have to work on knowledge building. Okay? And next 60 days, we will be working on exam winning. Now let's start how to work in first 60 days. You have either of the group, if you are appearing, you have 3 subjects. So allot 20 days each subject for preparation, okay? Knowledge building. Most students do opposite. वो प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं करना चाहते हैं, स्टडी भी नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बस पढ़ते रहना चाहते हैं, and which is very wrong. पर हमें क्या करना है? First knowledge building, then practice. Now, how you are going to work in this 60 days? In the sense, 20 days when you are allotting for any of the subjects, say FR या DT, आपको क्या करना है? You have to first analyze कौन से chapters pending हैं, which chapters is not strong, उसको practice करना है. Make your own notes if not made, revision sheets, RTPs, MTPs, अपने वीक एरिया को एनालाइज करना है, उसके ऊपर पूरा वर्क करना है एंड कंपाइल करना है पूरा का पूरा सब्जेक्ट को इन 20 डेज. तो डे वाइज स्ट्रैटेजी भी परफेक्ट बनाना, सो दैट आपका आउटकम आफ्टर 20 डेज शुड बी satisfying. Okay, so accordingly you have to complete 20 days for each subject, and this is how 60 days is going to be covered. Remember one thing, at this stage your focus should be in completion. Completion is more important एंड देन परफेक्शन. परफेक्शन हमें नेक्स्ट 60 डेज में गेन करना है, लेकिन यहाँ मैटर all study material should be completed thoroughly once. Perfection we are going to cover in the next phase. Then what is going to be the strategy for next 60 days? Knowledge is going to give you confidence. Okay? तो 60 days जो cover होगा आपको confidence built up होगा. But practice is going to give you marks. So here comes the main area where you are going to gain marks. So now the 60 days, second half, you have to divide again into 40 and 20. So first 40 days you have to complete the same 3 subject depending upon hard, medium, easy. आप days allot करो और अपने पूरे area को like every subject you practice, you solve case study, you make a writing practice, solve some sample papers, MTP's question, PYQ question. So basically this 40 days you will be working more and more question solving. जितना क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करोगे, जितने केस स्टडी आप देखोगे और सॉल्व करोगे, आप उतने परफेक्ट होंगे. सो नॉलेज से आपको पता चलेगा व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू हैव स्टडीड एंड दिस प्रैक्टिस विल मेक यू मोर परफेक्ट. सो the objective is very simple. You have to convert this knowledge into perfection exam performance. Here comes your next 20 day strategy, which is the last strategy and which is result oriented strategy. Here what you need to do is you have to solve 1 mock paper daily, if possible 2 mock paper daily. You have to solve full same length mock which is going to become in ICAI in the same environment and with the same time management. Okay, आपको ये 3 घंटे का मॉक लिखना है and then take a break and then analyze your mistakes कि what went wrong, क्या मैं पेपर कंप्लीट कर पाया, which area is weak, या फिर प्रेजेंटेशन सही नहीं जा रहे हैं और वर्क करना होगा. तो every paper what you are going to write gives you some answer और आप उस आंसर पे वर्क करो कि ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है और अभी मुझे इसके ऊपर वर्क करना है. गॉट इट? रिमेंबर वन थिंग, एवरी मॉक इज गोइंग टू मेक यू मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. सो डोंट रिपीट द मिस्टेक ऑफ नॉट राइटिंग फुल लेंथ मॉक्स. सो दिस इज द ओनली की टू सक्सेस. So here comes a strategy for the both group. If you are planning for appearing in November attempt for the both group, then for you this is going to be a very aggressive. Okay, so still you have 120 days. Subject 3 नहीं है, 6 है. You have to manage this subject in just this 120 days. Remember one thing, this is not going to be your first attempt. You are not going to start from zero. You already know the subject matter, you already have attempted 1 exam, so confidence उतना रखना पड़ेगा. So now what you need to do, you again have to apply same 60-60 rule. First 60 days you work hard to complete knowledge building. You have to work on your knowledge. Now you have to allot 10 days for each subject. Means for 6 subject you will be having 60 days. The first 60 days you have to work hard to complete the syllabus for whole 6 subject. So 10 days for 1 subject. In those 10 days you need to work to complete the pending portion. You have to work on your weak area. You have to revise whole subject in this 10 days thoroughly. So ensure that don't stuck in one chapter. आपको ये डेडलाइन 10 डेज का मीटअप करना है. यू डोंट इवन हैव 1 more day for any one subject. So once your 10 days is over, directly switch on to the next subject, and once second subject is over, 10 days में थर्ड में जंप ऑन करो, रुकना नहीं है. तो ये 60 डेज आपका नॉलेज बिल्डिंग हो गया, एक टाइप का रिविजन हो गया. नेक्स्ट कम्स योर लास्ट 60 डेज वेयर एग्जैक्टली आपका प्रैक्टिस होगा और वो आपको मार्क्स देंगे. सो हाउ यू नीड टू प्लान इन नेक्स्ट 60 डेज ऑल्सो इज 40 and 20 का रूल अप्लाई करना है. तो फर्स्ट 40 डेज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द you know how strong your subject is या how weak your subject is, आप ये 40 days को हर पर सब्जेक्ट अलॉट करो. किसी में 8 दिन दो, किसी में 7 days दो, किसी में 6 days दो, लेकिन ये 40 days में you will be working more on practicing case study solving MTPs, RTPs by yourself without seeing the answer. ट्राई करना है कि वो जो अलॉटेड डेज आपने डिसाइड किया है, सपोज इन केस ऑफ FR यू हैव अलॉटेड 7 days और बट इन केस ऑफ AFM यू हैव जस्ट अलॉटेड 5 days, तो वो टाइमलाइन मीटअप होना चाहिए. ठीक है. एंड इन दिस वे यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस 40 rigorous days training. So now let's discuss how you are going to work for the next 20 days. 40 days में you have just practiced a lot. Now here comes your simulation. In the sense, in next 20 days what you need to do is either you have to write 2 mocks in a day or else 1 mock daily and बचा हुआ दिन आप स्टडीज में दे सकते हो, रिविजन कर सकते हो. You have to write a mock daily in the same way जैसे आप ICAI एग्जाम लिखते हो, वही टाइम मैनेजमेंट करते हुए and also the same environment without any disturbance. Okay, you just have to write the mock daily and then analyze the same paper. What you need to do is just analyze where you are going wrong. आपके पेपर कंप्लीट हो पा रहा है, आप रिविजन कर पा रहे हो, प्रेजेंटेशन सही आ रहा है, या फिर कोई चैप्टर अभी भी वीक है, तो रेस्ट ऑफ द डे यू वर्क ऑन दोज टॉपिक. So this is how you are going to become more perfect by writing more mocks, and mocks are going to make you a little bit more stronger than ever. So don't repeat this mistake which you have done earlier of not writing papers. There you are getting opportunity once again to analyze and go deep into your own work. Got it? 3 things that every student should stop. Stop comparing yourself. Someone cleared, someone got rank. They are really different. Your race is different. Stop changing material. मेरे फ्रेंड ने उस बुक से पढ़ा, वो क्लियर हो गया, मैं अपने बुक्स चेंज कर दूं क्या? So stop changing your PDF, notes, lectures. नहीं, वो नहीं करना है. आपको वही बुक्स एंड वही नोट्स जिससे आपने स्टडी किया है वो कंटिन्यू करो. Trust your preparation. Don't get confused and revise multiple times. Third is stop looking for motivation. कोई सोशल मीडिया देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई मोटिवेशनल स्टोरी सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just be consistent and disciplined in your attempt. So dear students, आज आपको बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड लग रहा होगा और मे बी कल भी लगेगा, बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दिस इज वेरी नॉर्मल. रिजल्ट आता है, बहुत खराब लगता है, गिल्ट फीलिंग होती है. दिस इज वेरी नॉर्मल. इवन इफ यू एडमायर एनी CU, चेक विद देम. उनकी भी जर्नी ऐसी रही होगी, लेकिन वो कभी रुके नहीं है. दे हैव फेस्ड दिस सेटबैक, दे लर्न फ्रॉम दिस एक्सपीरियंस एंड देन फाइनली दे गॉट अ सक्सेस. So my message is don't stop. 120 days is enough to crack this. So choice is your. वापस से रिग्रेट करना है कि नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट सक्सेस टेस्ट करना है, एंजॉय करना है. Here onwards, close this video, make your own plan and be consistent on that plan. So hey students, if you are looking for structured strategy, personal mentorship and guidance, then I am giving the link where you can connect me directly. Check the description box. Don't prepare alone this time. Let's work together and make your result a success story. A very best of luck.